morning and welcome to the Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. And if you didn't know, it's still raining. Yeah, I'm not complaining. We always could use the rain. My pool, it's very full. Yeah, more rain throughout today and through part tomorrow. The house still smells wonderful from my Jamaican curry. I prepared Caribbean beef curry. Actually, it was elk with potatoes. And I served that over jasmine rice. Yes, potatoes and rice. Get over it. All right. Today, I saw this recipe. I'm like, I'm going to have some fun. This recipe was originally very basic, and then I did my usual casual chef thing. It's paprika shrimp, third shrimp dish of the week. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just get to it. It's a wok day. Yes. We'll be serving this over a long grain white rice. This is the last bag of pink shrimp that I purchased. And these are 40/60s. The original recipe was extremely basic, but I have added some mushrooms, some asparagus. I'm going to add also some red onion. I have this lonely little jalapeno, which I'll dice up and get that in there. Of course, there's going to be garlic, a little bit of oil, for the wok, kosher salt, black pepper. I'm sticking with the paprika. This is the smoked paprika from the local spicery in Marysville, California. You can also buy it online at on their website. You can get most of their products on their website. And I'm going to be adding some of my dried Thai basil to this dish. So yes, here's all the yummies. I'm just going to keep this short. Stay dry. Now, I know the East Coast just got is being slammed with snow. So be safe out there. Have a great weekend if I don't see you or hear from you. And on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.